Hey King Crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping into tons of sorting, tons of washing, and of course tons of folding. Guys, the biggest L we'll ever take is laundry, so let's get this motivation going. I hope it helps you to get up and get your laundry done as well. Okay guys, so I'll be trying out some new products. So I'm just going to do this quick little laundry product haul. Actually these aren't new, I actually do use these. I'm going to be trying out these free and clear all pods for the kids clothes because denim has been breaking out lately, so I'm trying to move to all free and clear things to see if that may be the issue. I'm trying out this free and clear fabric softener by Everspring, and I actually picked this up because they didn't have my normal ginger mango method one, and this one doesn't have a scent, so I thought that was the next best. But I also want to try out the free and clear laundry detergent, and I love that they have this sample size so that if I don't like it, I don't feel like I wasted my money. And then these wrinkle guard dryer sheets, I want to try these out as well. So quick little laundry haul. These are staple, but quick little laundry haul. These are all new items. Oh, Dax, my little helper here, who is not really grasping the fact that we are sorting these by colors, but more so think that this is a throw around clothes party. However, first I begin by sorting out the laundry, and guys, I'm really iffy about white clothes, right? So how do you wash your white clothes? For me, I wash anything that's all white together, and then like graphic tees or light colors that are like off-white things or things of that nature, I wash those things together, or anything that's white that has colors on it, I wash those together. So for my all white laundry loads, I use bleach. I still use bleach for those, but for the ones that have color on them, I don't use bleach. I use the white little Revive pods. So tell me, comment down below, do you wash whites with the colors, or like whites that have colors on them but are primarily whites all together, or do you wash all of your whites together?
Going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go.
Starting with the whites, and we're headed to the laundry room, but before we begin, gotta get you a quick dance party in there, guys. I was dancing and playing around with my fiance right here, but I mean, what is my video without one, guys? But jumping right in, we're going to start with whites, which I wash on hot, and I use bleach when I wash my whites.
Living in your messages, every day now I confess.
So last night I actually had put a load in the wash and dryer, but these are just our linen towels, which you see me folding here, like linen towels, things that go in the linen closet, so linen towels, additional throw blankets and things of that sort. So I usually just fold that straight out the dryer because it's usually not a lot to fold. I just get it out of the way and don't have to worry about it.
Living in your messages.
So this is my basket that I use when I'm doing laundry. All of like harsh chemicals clothes and stuff is in this basket that I use. Denim, well, this right here, this station that I put together is more so for denim because she loves to help with laundry. So I put this station together that's really full of pods. That's trash. That's mostly full of pods and stuff. So you have dryer sheets, color loads, all loads, and white loads, which are like the little white pods. All of this stuff here is to help denim figure out or understand what goes in what load. So these are like these OxiClean Boost. We put these in color loads, and then we have the white ones that go in the white load. But I actually wanted to fill this one up, but they didn't have any more in stock, so I didn't get any. I'll wait for them to come in stock since we're not completely out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. There we go. So that's filled up. And I'm going to save this bag because these are actually the Method Ginger Mango pods. But since she's starting to break out, I want to try to do free and clear only for the kids' clothes. So I'm going to switch out and put, I'm going to need this to put these in. But if all of these fit in here, then I'll put these here. Okay? So let's just put them out here for now. And we'll put these inside of here.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Put a few of these wrinkle guard dryer sheets in here.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight.
Okay, so this is, I guess we can say this is part 1 of the decluttering series. You're going to see so much decluttering. So I'm going to start keeping, I have old laundry bags like this, and as I wash and fold clothes, the 2 small clothes that I'm donating, I'll be putting in bags like this, and the ones that are just like nobody ever is ever going to wear them, I'm going to go ahead and dispose of them if they're like damaged really bad. So yes, this is what I'm going to use. This is like an old laundry bag. We've had this since we lived in an apartment and used to trot to the laundromat. So I'm going to use this, that way I can just take the whole bag to the thrift store and get rid of this stuff. So let's get it done.
Tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound. We're gonna break them mold, them mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight.
So I went on and washed all the loads, and as you see, the floor is clear here. The plan was to fold that night, but honestly, I just vacuumed up with the help of my little one here, and we went to bed. And here is a visual of all that needs to be folded, all that I washed the night prior. Brace yourself for some extreme folding motivation. This is a lot of clothes, guys. So my organized folding strategy is to give everyone their own basket before I start folding, so that I can put everyone's clothes in their designated basket and offload in their rooms or wherever their clothes belong.
Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it made me feel.
Boy, I tell you, shopping is all fun and games and haha, hee retail therapy me until you gotta wash and fold all of these things. Being a family of 5, our laundry piles up so quick. I've got to get a hold on it and get a good routine going, and that is what I am working to do, guys.
Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, unstable. I get unstable, I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, unstable. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable,
Alright guys, we are on the last bucket of folding, and I am going to go ahead and start wrapping this video up. Thank you so much if you have watched this far. I truly appreciate you. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe. Other than that, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, unstable.